What up? Today we're at Adams Nature Center, Homestead something, Adams Homestead Preserve something. Trek Verve 2, Retrospect Ascent, Trek Verve 1. We're gonna ride some trails out here and see what this place has to offer. So the river loop looks like 6 miles by bike, and that's this one here. So I think that's what we'll do. Probably make some stops along the way. This is pretty nice, groomed, maintained trails here, light gravel. I'd much prefer if my wife and son rode in front, because I feel like I always have to look back and see that they're coming. They've got restrooms out here. That's a nice feature, and some water if you needed it. me, ready to feast on my corpse when I collapse. Nature's unforgiving. Take a little peek at this overlook. We're just over a third of the way in. I show like 2.1 miles. And obviously I started my watch late. Well, that's cool. Missouri River. You guys holding up good? I gotta keep checking back to see that you're back there.
Oh, shut it.
That's fine. Now we got people in our action videos. Much better. That was a cool little overlook of the river. There's like pop-outs all over this place where you can like bird watch and do other things. It's really cool place. Good morning. I'm pretty sure that was our neighbor. Get some sand off to the edges here. Cause you some heartache, maybe. Big old turkey in the road. Oh, a couple of them. turkeys on your left. Yeah, we can do that. What'd we learn?
Oh, you are here.
We'll turn this way.
Yeah, because then we want to come back around, right?
No, we're going there. We've already done all this.
Okay, so we're here, so we go like that.
Mm-hmm.
If
Yeah.
we went straight, we'd hit the lake loop, right?
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
Are we sure? Yeah.
Yeah. Because that's what that sign over there says. Is straight for Lake Loop and here for Visitor Center, which will be the last of our 6 miles that we're doing. Whew. Yeah. Yeah, I'll drink some water. They got a bike pump on the trail for people. Yeah. Yeah, I don't have patch kits or anything like that. We used to carry that stuff when we were kids, mountain biking all the time. Tire spoons and pumps and patch kits but whatever. I ain't trying to do all that. And we're off again for the final roughly 2 miles of this 6-mile river loop at Adams Homestead and Nature Preserve. There she is. What a sight for sore eyes. Oh, backing out of the shot.
I didn't want me, did you?
We got a trail lunch for after riding. Got some fresh cherries, cheese and crackers. Everybody's got a sandwich. Yeah. Probably not as good as the lunch we had on Food Truck Friday, if you watched that video. If you didn't watch that video,
Pretty good.
go watch it. But yeah, this is pretty good. And we're still just at the truck out here at the nature center. Well, that was our visit to the nature center. Adams Homestead Nature Preserve, I guess. Lots of cool stuff inside. I chose not to film just because of all the people running around, and people get weird about cameras. So, but they've got a bunch of animals on exhibit in there, some fox snakes, a couple other snakes. They've got a duck that had like a curled foot when it was born, so they take in animals of that in that condition and just give them a safe home and all the care that they need. There's donkeys, sheep, snakes, ducks, geese, all kinds of stuff going on out here. So super cool place. But that's gonna do it for this one. We'll see you guys in the next one.